Hi, I'm Summer. I'm the mechanical sub-team lead.
Hi, I'm Gina.
Hi, I'm Erica and welcome to the Mechanical Sub-Team Station. The mechanical team has a very extensive list of responsibilities, from designing and assembling a robot for the year's game to making new parade robots. The mechanical team is one of the most involved sub-teams of Cougar Tech.
If you're worried about your skill level joining the team and the fact that you can't tell an Allen wrench from a socket wrench, this isn't really a problem. We have very capable student leaders that are happy to help you with any and all questions that you have concerning mechanical stuff. We also have very talented and devoted mentors that are there to guide you.
And on the topic of mentors, the mentor's purpose on the mechanical team is to guide and oversee projects in the workshop. Cougar Tech is a student-led mentor-guided team. You'll also find that you'll actively learn while working with our older members. During build season, we focus a lot on the design process and basic engineering principles.
The design process on Cougar Tech involves a lot of test and fail learning, where new members and old members work together to build prototypes that help inspire designs for our final robot. Now I'm going to pass it to Brian at the pneumatic station.
Thanks for coming. Bye!